using AutoCAD. So first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen and switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we'll go for the limits command. Type limits, L-I-M-I-T-S, limits. Specify lower left corner. By default it is 0, 0. You just press enter key, and they specify upper right corner, which will be 297, 210. Then say zoom, Z enter, all enter. Now we'll go for a line command. First we're going to draw a A4 size sheet. So first we're going to click on the first button of the mouse on the lower left corner and take some distance, and again you just click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse in the upper direction, and then click on the first button of the mouse and then say enter. Now we'll go for offset. Take the distance as 297. You just type 297, select object to offset. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and again you click on the first button of the mouse, and again by default it is exit. You press enter key. Again you go for offset command and type the distance as 210 and type 210 and press enter key. Select object to offset. You offset this horizontal line to the top side. Then go to zoom, enter, extends the drawing till to the drawing what we have drawn. Then zoom point 60% of the present display, 0.6x. Then go to fillet and you select between this line and this line, and again you select between this line and this line, and then you select between this line and this line. So this is how we will be able to write the A4 size sheet. Now we'll go for the text. So type GT and then click specify start point. You select the top lower left corner and then click on the first button of the mouse and specify height as 4 and then rotation angle as 0. And now we're going to type the problem. Type 66 problem. So go to the top view, capital PQ of a straight line is 70 mm and makes an angle of 60 degree with XY line. Full stop. The end capital Q is 10 mm in front of VP and 30 mm above H. The difference between the distances of capital P and capital Q above HP is 45 mm. Draw the projections, determine its true length and true inclination with HP and VP. Now we have drawn now we have written the question. Now we are going to solve the problem. To solve this problem, first I will go for the layer command. First you go for a layer command. You just press enter key, click on the new layer and type XY and enter. Again you click on new, type views, then again you click on new, type locus, and again you click on new, type true length TL and enter. Now we will go for the line weight. So layer 0 will have 0.05 and then click on OK. Then again go to XY line, take the line weight as 0.13 and say OK. Then go to views, so go to the line weight and make it 0.5, then say OK. Then click on locus, so it is 0.05 and say OK. Then true length, you make it on 0.25 and say OK. Then come down to locus, continuous, click on load, make this as dash dot and say OK, and click on dash dot and make that as the dash dot line as the line type for locus. Now once we do that, then we're going to close this. Now we will go for a line command. Draw a line from first point, click on the first button of the mouse and drag this and click on the first button of the mouse again. Then go to offset, take the distance as 10, enter, you click on this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Again offset, select this specify offset distance, you take 30 and then press enter key, select this horizontal line and offset to the down, then go to line and draw a vertical line and then go to fillet between these two and similarly between these two. Once you get this, now we have the top view. So go to line, take intersection point of this and at the rate of 70 angle less than minus 60 degrees. Then we drag this, then go to zoom extents, then zoom all. Then from here you will going to get the locus line. Draw a line from here and drag this and then go to extend. Extend requires boundary yet. You select this as the boundary and extend this to here. Then go to offset, take the distance at 45. So from here you take this 45 mm. Then go to circle, draw a circle from intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So you're going to get this. Then go to trim between this line and this line, trim it here. Then go to fillet between this and this and go to line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this, then draw intersection point of this. So you're going to get the true length. Then go to line, take intersection between these two to perpendicular to these two. So you're going to get this, and from here you draw a line intersection of this. Now you're going to get the front view. Once you get this, go to circle, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this line and then go to trim between this line and this line. You trim it here. Then go to fillet between this line and this arc. Similarly line, take intersection point of this to perpendicular to this line and then from here you draw the true length line. So this is how you will be able to get the solution. So you break this till here and then you break this till here. Similarly you break this till here, you break this till here. So now we will going to change the thicknesses. So go to this line, CH, go to layer, you mark this layer as XY and then press escape. Similarly you just go to the front view and top view, you just go to layer and make this as views. Similarly press escape, select between these two lines and you take that line as true length line, then escape. Similarly select between these two, go to layer and you make this as locus line and then the line type as 10 mm. Line type scale factor, you are adjusting this to 10.0. Now once you do that, now you close this layer command. Now we will go for DDIM, go to modify, then go to lines, offset from the origin, you take it as 3. Then go to symbols and arrows, arrow size you take it as 4. Then go to text, text height as 4. Then vertical center, that is above, align with the dimension line and make this as 3. And go to primary units. So here the precision you make it 0 and say OK and say close. Now we will go for dimension, dim vertical, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So we're going to get it as 10 mm and then dim TED. Then dim TED, text edit dimension, you select between these two and you take it here. Then go to dim vertical, take intersection point of this to intersection point of this. So you're going to get this distance as 30. Then you move the entire thing, take this and move it to some distance. Then go to dim align, select this and you select it here of 70 mm. Then go to break between these here. Then go to dim angle between this line and this line. So for that we will go for DDIM, DDIM, and here go to modify and go to the precision linear dimension. Precision is make it up to the second decimal point, and in the angular dimension also you make it precision as up to second decimal point. Okay, so this is because we need to find out what is the true length up to the second decimal point. So to do that, dim aligned, you will select this. So here the true length is 83.22 mm. So we get 83.22. Then we have dim angular between this line and this line. So here it is 46.76, which is beta, or sorry, phi, which is, then we have dim angular between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as 32.74. So once you get this, we'll go back to DDIM and modify. Here the decimal you make it 0, and here also you make it 0. So this is only to find out what should be the angular display angular dimension what we need. So once you do that, now we will go for dim angular, and now you select between these two. So this you're going to have here, you go to text and then give space and just press enter key and you place it here. Then again dim angular, select between this line and this line. Here you are going to go to text and give space and then press enter key, then you are going to place it here. So once you get this, then we'll go for dim vertical. You take intersection of this point and the end of this line, and you are going to get this distance as 45. Now once you get this, now we go for M text, and here you just take the first corner as this and specify second corner as this. Then go to text, you type symbol, select symbol and type small q, which will going to be the theta value, and then copy this by putting the ortho mode off. You just click on this, enter, select this and place it here. Then go to DD edit, edit the already written text you have to edit. So for that you go for DD edit, and here you type F and say enter. So once you get this, now we need to type the true length. So go to dim aligned, you select this line and you go to text. So here you type true length equals question mark, then say enter and place it wherever you want. Then go to break, select this line and break this till here. So this is how you will be able to write the dimensions. Once you do that, now we go for dtext. So go to dtext dt and select this and type 4, and here x, and here you type y, and here it is vp, here it is hp, then here it is locus of p, and here it is locus of p, then here it is capital Q, and here it is capital P, again here it is capital P, again it is here capital Q, then here you remove the caps lock and type Q dash, and here it is small q, here it is P, here it is P dash, and here it is P1 dash, here it is P1, and here it is P2, and here it is P2 dash. So this is how you will be able to enter the text matter. Then go to zoom, select this and move all these text accordingly wherever you require. So once you get this, so you're going to get P dash, and here P2 dash, and here it is capital P, and here it is locus of P, and this is Y, and this is X, and similarly this is VP, and this is HP, and this is Q, and this is small capital Q, and here it is P2, then zoom previous, and then zoom window. You select this and bring it near to the screen, and then go to P, then here it is capital P, and here it is P1, then go to locus of P. Now we need to write the rotational, show the direct rotations. So go to dim leader, go to leader, take nearest point on this and take it tangentially, then annotation options none. Similarly, go to leader, nearest on this line, and you take it tangentially to this, then annotation option none. Go to leader, nearest on this, put the ortho mode on. Now I want straight, so go to nearest point and drag it, annotation options none. Similarly, leader, nearest, go to this and annotation options none, and go to explode, select this line, and select this line, and select this line, and erase it. Now we go for erase this line, erase this line, erase this line, and erase this line. So this is how you will be able to write the solution. Once you do that, now we need to write the answers. So go to the text, and here you type answers. So then go to line and draw a horizontal line, and then drag a vertical line. So first we need to write the true length. So you click on true length. So go to the text here and type 83.2 mm. So go to move this here, and then come down to offset, take 7 mm on this, then go to the text here, you type 32.74 degree percentage D, enter. Then go to copy, select this and copy to next one, go to DD edit, select this 46.76, so 46.76, enter. Now we go for copy this file till here, switch off the ortho mode, you take it here. Similarly, zoom previous, you take copy, select this and copy this till here. Now we go for zoom window, go to line, take a line end of this to end of this, then go to line nearest point on this to perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two. So this is how you will be able to write the solution. Go to save, come down to the appropriate directory, that is E drive, go to AutoCAD, line drawing, so take P66 and enter. So finally you